All right, let's go in. Oh. Hold up.
So I was having trouble naming this house, so I brought one of my friends along to maybe give me some inspiration on what I should call it. And that's how this house was named.
Oh man.
So, I wanted to start this video off with a nice visual of the smell that we have to deal with in this house. So, just getting this out of the way, we're calling this the Smelly house. It smells like a mix of urine and a little bit of musty, odor of some sort. It's pretty much terrible and throughout the house. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Hey, come on, let's take a look at this other house that we got. So, you're gonna need a flashlight. I got it. All right, hop in here. We're just gonna come straight down. We're only gonna take a brief view of the awesomeness that's down here. As you can see, there's a nice little bench over there. Then there's all this stuff in front of it. So, that's the beauty of this downstairs area. There's a nice storage area that's empty over here. And here, come around. Over here, you've got House of Horrors. I mean, take a look at that. What is that? It is bad in here. I mean, just look at these clothes. Infested. I mean, it's Halloween, but jeez, look at this. All of that stuff. Jesus Christ, there's a cooler back there. That's actually a cooler. All right, so we're going to keep scanning. There's a bathroom if anybody wants to take a shower, right there. And then we got the electrical here, a nice wash basin, and an older furnace over here. Older furnace over there. And yeah, but yeah, I mean, the spider webs down here are just crazy. All right. I don't know if you can catch that, but look at that floating spider web right there. All right, so now let's head up and check out the upstairs floors. All right, this is the main level, so we're gonna go ahead and walk in. All right, so there's a very distinct smell in here, but that being said, this is what we're walking into. I mean, there's some fluid in those jars with an expiration date. Oh, actually, it expired in March. Hey, there you go. So this is kind of the kitchen. You're kind of looking at an older kitchen. Oh, I thought there was a rat over there. I was like, it scared the crap out of me. Then there's all these couches here. We got actually some nice hardwood over there, like over the window. It's actually pretty nice. So then we're gonna come over here and we've got, somebody that didn't know what a trash bag was, really. So we got to clean that up, take care of that. The flooring's in rough shape, but maybe savable, maybe. And then we come over here, we've got our lawnmower and stuff like that. But it's got a decent fireplace. It's got, it's a decently big area. So, yeah. All right. With that being said, let's go upstairs to the last floor. Come on. And then you've got. I mean, this wood door is in good shape. I mean, it's even the varnish is still well on there. Half the wallpaper's gone. I mean, they definitely had some good choices on that. You can take a look at that here. Never mind. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's Nice and flowery. All right, so we're gonna continue up here. This window has been leaking for a long time. You can kind of see how they just kind of stapled it and put a piece of plastic over it. Just something that I picked up on, you know. You've just got junk everywhere across the floor. I mean, it's pretty bad. All right, hop in here. We'll come in here. I mean, another room full of stuff, you know. It's just a bunch of stuff that needs emptied. I mean, can't do anything with it. I think there's 2 AC units in here, but I'm almost guaranteeing they're trashed, you know. Then we'll head over into this room. And, you know, we got a bunch of pills here. We'll move those there. And then, yeah, just a bunch of stuff. Just more stuff. Chair. You got a closet that's completely jam-packed. I mean, you know, if anybody's looking for all-purpose flour, we've got that here in a bedroom, you know, just in case. So, yeah. I think they stole this. It has a name on it. And then you've got another room. This room's odd. They've got like shredded paper everywhere. I mean, you know, they're a solid customer of the Big Gulp, you know. Definitely got a few of those, and then it seems almost like toilet paper that they kind of just shredded up, just left here, and a bunch of Newports. So yeah, that's about it. We will have to show you the after video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to support the channel. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.